What if I told you that the car you drive every single day is actively keeping secrets from you? Not just minor conveniences, but life-saving systems, money-saving tricks, and emergency protocols that are deliberately hidden in plain sight. In our last video, we cracked open the first layer. But today, on part 2, we're going straight to the vault. These are the features so powerful, it's almost criminal that car dealers don't explain them. Let's start with a feature that 95% of American drivers misuse, or never use at all: the rear fog light. See this symbol on your light control stalk? The one that looks like a lamp with a wavy line and a direction? Most people in the US ignore it. In Europe, it's mandatory. But why? Because this single light is engineered to cut through thick fog, heavy snow, and torrential rain when your regular taillights fail. When you activate it, an intensely bright red light, often brighter than your brake lights, turns on at the rear. This makes you visible from a much greater distance in zero visibility conditions, drastically reducing the risk of a high-speed rear-end collision. But here's the critical warning, the part nobody tells you. You must turn it off when visibility improves. Driving with it on in clear conditions is not just annoying to drivers behind you, it's dangerous. You're blinding them and masking your brake lights. This one button is a perfect example of a hidden lifesaver that becomes a hazard if you don't know the rules of the game. Now let's talk about saving money. Imagine having a full-time mechanic riding shotgun, constantly monitoring every heartbeat of your engine. You do. It's called the Onboard Diagnostic System, or OBD2. That mysterious port under your dash is its gateway. You can buy a Bluetooth adapter and turn your phone into a powerful diagnostic tool. This isn't just for reading check engine lights. We're talking about real-time data. You can watch your engine coolant temperature to see if your thermostat is sticking before it causes an overheat. You can monitor your long-term fuel trim to catch a dirty air filter or a failing oxygen sensor weeks before it triggers a warning light. You can check your battery voltage from your phone while sitting in your driver's seat to see if your alternator is dying. This is the ultimate know-before-you-go tool. It demystifies your car and stops you from getting sold repairs you don't need. This next feature is one I hope you never, ever need, but not knowing it could be catastrophic. Every modern car sold has a mandatory internal trunk release. It's a federal safety requirement. If someone, especially a child, accidentally gets locked inside a trunk, this is their way out. It's usually a glow-in-the-dark T-shaped handle or a clearly marked button. No tools needed, just a simple pull or push, and the trunk unlatches from the inside. Take 2 minutes today. Open your trunk, look for this lever. It's often on the trunk lid itself or near the latch mechanism, and show everyone in your family. This isn't a hidden feature. This is a mandatory life-saving device that's hidden because it's out of sight. Make it known. Your dashboard display is lying to you. Well, not lying, but it's only showing you the tip of the iceberg. Behind the simple odometer and trip meters is a hidden diagnostic menu, often called the engineering mode or service menu. The access code varies by brand. For many Fords, it's holding the OK button on the steering wheel while starting the car. For many Hondas, it's cycling the ignition and pressing the odometer reset button. A quick search for your car's model and hidden diagnostic menu will reveal the sequence. Once in, you can find data like actual coolant temp in degrees, not just a dumb gauge, alternator voltage output in real time, ignition cycle counts, and even diagnostic trouble codes without a scanner. One viewer wrote to me saying he found a pending code for a transmission sensor in this menu, fixed it himself for $50, and avoided a $1,200 transmission flush a dealer was recommending. This is power. This is control. Your car has a built-in stealth mode that most people never activate. It's a combination of 2 systems, the battery saver and the security system. Here's how to master it. First, the battery saver mode. We all worry about leaving a dome light on. Most modern cars have a system that, after 10 to 30 minutes of the ignition being off, will automatically cut power to interior lights and accessories to preserve enough battery to start the engine. Test it. Turn on a dome light, lock the car, and wait. But you can go further. When parking at an airport for a long time, you can manually activate a deeper sleep mode. After turning off the car, lock the doors using the physical key blade from your fob instead of the button. This often tells the car's computer to enter a low power state, reducing battery drain from keyless entry sensors. Combine this with the double lock security feature found in many vehicles. On many European and Japanese models, if you press the lock button on your fob twice, it disables the internal motion sensors. This prevents false alarms and, more importantly, makes it harder for thieves to use signal repeaters to unlock your car. You're making your car electronically invisible. That little tab under your rearview mirror isn't just a lever, it's a brilliantly simple piece of optical engineering. In the day position, the mirror is tilted so you see the full, bright reflection from the silvering on the back of the glass. But when you flip the tab for night mode, you're actually changing the angle of the mirror glass. Now, instead of reflecting off the bright silver backing, you're seeing a dim reflection from the front surface of the glass itself. Only about 4% of the light from headlights behind you is reflected back to your eyes, while the rest passes through to the dark, non-reflective surface behind the glass. This is why the glare is reduced, but you haven't lost visibility. You're still seeing the cars, just without the blinding intensity. Understanding this why makes you use it more effectively, reducing eye fatigue on every night drive. So let's recap. You now know about the life-saving rear fog light, the money-saving diagnostic port, the emergency trunk release, the secret service menu, the stealth security mode, and the science of your night vision mirror. Your car is no longer just a vehicle. It's a partner, packed with technology designed to protect you, save you money, and give you peace of mind. If this deep dive gave you even one aha moment that makes you a safer, smarter driver, then do me 3 huge favors. First, hit that like button. It tells YouTube you found this valuable. Second, subscribe to Brilliant Car Care and tap the bell, because our next video is all about the hidden maintenance routines that can double the life of your engine. And third, and most importantly, take this knowledge and share it. Tell one friend or family member about one of these features, because knowledge about safety shouldn't be a secret. Thanks for watching. Drive safe and drive smart.